This recipe is amazing for using up leftover turkey, ham and cheese from your cheese board after Christmas. I'm going to show you how to take those leftovers and turn them into this delicious dinner. I've got the oven preheating to 190C or 375F and a large pan of water that's close to boiling. And now we're going to add the pasta. I've got 400 grams or 4.5 cups of rigatoni. If you haven't got any rigatoni in your store cupboard, then any other dry pasta will do. We want to cook the pasta for a minute less than the recommendation on the pack at this stage. While the pasta's cooking, we're going to heat a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large pan over a medium to high heat. Then add a diced onion to the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until softened. Now we're going to chop a red and yellow pepper and add them to the pan. Next in goes 2 minced cloves of garlic and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Now we'll add in the leftover cooked ham and turkey. I've got 250 grams or 2 cups of shredded turkey and 200 grams or 1 1/4 cups of shredded ham. Now we add a tablespoon of tomato puree, a tablespoon of chopped fresh thyme and a crumbled chicken stock cube. Stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, stir in 3 400 gram or 14 ounce tins of chopped tomatoes and a teaspoon of sugar. Bring to a gentle bubble. Then add in the cooked pasta from earlier. Add in 100 grams or 3 cups of baby spinach and stir everything together. At this point you can transfer everything to a large baking dish, or if your pan's oven proof then just leave it all in the pan. And finally we're going to top with cheese from our Christmas cheese board. I've got 250 grams or 2.5 pack cups of mixed brie, cheddar, mozzarella and red Leicester that I've grated or chopped finely. Sprinkle it over the pasta. Place in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and golden. Remove from the oven and serve topped with fresh herbs and black pepper. That's my leftover turkey pasta bake. A fantastic way to use up those leftovers for a delicious dinner.